Welcome to Greystoke. Today I'm here to show you a really beautiful 2-bedroomed end of terrace cottage. It's coming into view just behind me here. Now this is a complete hidden gem. It sits right in the heart of the village, which is a desirable location with lots of excellent amenities, but this property has got some lovely gardens to the rear. It's got a parking space and it's got 2 workshops as well, so you wouldn't imagine it to have all of that just looking at it from the exterior. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the street scene first of all, show you where we're located, then we're going to explore the internal and external spaces of this fabulous cottage. So this is the street scene. So in that direction is all the village amenities. So you've got the post office, the primary school, village hall, swimming pool. You've got lots and lots of excellent village community amenities here. And we're just a short distance away from the National Park and about 10 minutes from Penrith. Now the property we're bringing to the market today is number 7 Berrier Road, which is just this house here at the end of the terrace of, I think, just 4 properties. So number 7 sits here. Now it's accessed up the side and we've got a lovely little elevated terrace there, and as we come around we have a right of access across this ground here, because what we have is we've got a parking space, as you can see there, and we've also got 2 workshop spaces. So if you're looking for a little bit of outbuildings, then those 2 buildings just here are yours. Now the front door is just to the side, which is this really pretty door, and as we go inside you'll see that the spaces are just beautiful. It's really quirky, it's compact, but it's got lots of space in the right places. So as we come in, we've got a beautiful bathroom, which is a newly fitted suite with a bath, with a loo just around the corner and a really nice vanity unit there. So a really modern bathroom suite. And then coming along past that, we come into the kitchen, which is fitted with a range of wall and base units. So you've got no shortage of storage here. You've also got a breakfast bar area, lovely window looking out to the garden, plenty of space. And then coming through into the lounge. Now this is where the space is really spacious. You've got lots of room in here for some furniture. You've got a open fire, a cupboard to the side of that, windows to the front, bringing in lots of light, and you've got 2 of those. And round the corner here you've got a space for a dining table or whatever you wanted to use it for. So you've got like an L-shaped room here, but lovely features like the beamed ceiling, the nice glazed panel there, a really super living room. Now we've also got lots of storage. So just to the side we've got an understairs cupboard just behind the door here, and we've got an airing cupboard in there, and then this wooden door takes us up onto the first floor. So this was a glazed panel, as you can see here, so clever use of the light. And again, as we come up, you've got a beamed ceiling, a window bringing in light which looks out over to the garden. And then up on this level we've got 2 bedrooms. Now the master bedroom is a fantastic size. It's got a nice high ceiling, plenty of space for furniture, and a window to the front elevation. And the smaller bedroom is just here, which is a single, again, beamed ceiling, lots of light coming into there. So a really fabulous 2-bedroom cottage with the benefit of some gardens to the rear, which we're going to look at now, but also the parking space, which is quite rare in the village, and also the 2 workshops as well. So if you're looking for space to tinker or to store some bits and pieces, you've got plenty of space here. So just to recap, kitchen, recently fitted bathroom, and door out to the side, which takes us out to that car parking area and these 2 workshops. Okay, so coming round the corner, you can see we've got parking area there for a vehicle, and we've got a gate which takes us into the back garden. Now this is a terrace, so the other neighbouring properties do have right of access across here, but when we step up into here, this is the private garden space for number 7. And as you can see, you've got a lovely terrace. It's absolutely full of colour on such a beautiful summer's day. It's an absolutely gorgeous garden. It's also got the benefit of a pond, of a trickling stream coming down the rockery there, some lovely raised beds, really private garden space with paths meandering through, and this is where you're going to get a glimpse of the home there. So you can see we've got, this is the bathroom at the bottom, and then the kitchen, and then that window was at the turn in the stairs. But we've also got the benefit of a summer house which sits at the end of the garden, which is really private. So sitting here enjoying a glass of wine at the end of the day, it'd be absolutely beautiful looking out over this really colourful garden. What a stunning space. So that's number 7 Berrier Road. What a stunning property. It's a really quirky 2-bedroom cottage which sits in the heart of Greystoke with these beautiful gardens and the summer house, as you can see behind me, just coming into view, with the benefit of parking for a vehicle and into workshop spaces, this is an opportunity not to be missed. So you're looking for a lock up and leave, you're looking for a small home within the village which has got some fantastic amenities, and if you are and this ticks some boxes, please give us a call on 01768 881111 and we'd love to give you some more information.